Ever pondered about the tech marvel that is the current phone in your pocket? Is it time to consider an upgrade? Well, if the answer is yes, then the iPhone 12 might just be the next gadget to catch your tech-savvy eye. The iPhone 12, a flagship smartphone developed by Apple Inc., brings to the table a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2532 x 1170 pixels. This gives a pixel density of a whopping 460 pixels per inch. This marvel of a display brings out the most vibrant colors and the deepest blacks, making every photo, video, or game look absolutely stunning. Now moving on from the display, the iPhone 12 is not just a pretty face. Underneath that sleek exterior is a beast waiting to be unleashed. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip, the iPhone 12 takes performance to a whole new level. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking, this device handles it all with ease. It's complemented by 4 GB of RAM and comes in storage capacities of 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB, ensuring you never run out of space. Of course, we can't forget about the camera. The iPhone 12 boasts a dual-lens rear camera system consisting of a 12MP wide and 12MP ultra-wide lens. With features like night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR3, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR video recording, your photos and videos will be nothing short of breathtaking. And as if all these features weren't enough, the iPhone 12 also supports 5G connectivity. This means you can enjoy faster download and upload speeds, making your online experience smoother than ever. Some additional cherries on top include Face ID for secure authentication, MagSafe technology for easy attachment of accessories, and an IP68 water and dust resistance rating for those adventurous souls out there. The iPhone 12 comes in a variety of colors, including black, white, red, green, and blue, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. In essence, the iPhone 12 is more than just a smartphone. It's a powerful device that combines cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and advanced features to deliver a top-notch user experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking for an upgrade, the iPhone 12 is definitely worth considering.